note of the songs. Then the preparation is darling Jesus, darling Jesus, oh my darling Jesus, you're the wonderful one. Love is so amazing, oh my darling Jesus, you're the wonderful one. I play again, darling Jesus, darling Jesus, oh my darling Jesus, you're the wonderful one. I love you so. Oh my darling Jesus, you're the wonderful one. So, okay guys, so my guitar is back on an episode of lesson. Okay, so for this lesson, I dropped a post some days ago on some gospel songs you guys recommend I should do. So most of you recommend some songs, so I'm going to be doing it one after the other, one after the other. So for today, I want to do this very song by one of my followers. Okay, Darling Jesus. Okay, Darling Jesus. I don't really know who sing the song. I think Moses Blaze but I believe you guys know the song. Darling Jesus. Okay, so I'm going to do the lesson in the key of D. So most of you are not familiar with the key of D. This is the key of D. Okay, the key of D on the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 on the 7th fret. Key of D. I'm playing the source chord. This is the main chord. Okay, I'm playing it. Okay, so the note of the song there is so the note is so but a slide from, like I told you in my previous lesson, okay, how to make your note sounds better, sounds good, okay. So I slide from fa to so, okay. That's so ba mi do re mi fa fa re mi fa fa, okay. I slide. I hammer on from the mi and the va, okay. Ba ba so ba mi mi, okay. Ba ba so ba mi mi, so so so, so 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 ba mi re, okay. Okay. Then I play. And I play again. So ba mi, with a slide. Then this, okay, so fa mi re. Now I play D instead of do. I play D. So fa mi re do re mi fa fa re mi fa fa. Okay. Do do re. Okay. Okay. That's the note of the songs. Then the preparation is darling Jesus, darling Jesus, oh my darling Jesus, you're the wonderful one. Love is so amazing, oh my darling Jesus, you're the wonderful one. I play again, darling Jesus. you're the wonderful one. I love you so. Oh my darling Jesus, you're the wonderful one. So at first I play my sus chord, my do chord, but I play sus chord like I showed you in my previous video. That is a D sus2. Darling do, fa, fa. I play D sus4. Okay, I show you all those in my lesson, so you go and work. Okay, that is a D sus4. You can play your normal va chord here. That is going to your va. You can play your normal va chord. Okay, but I play a sus4 like this. Okay, so this is how it is. Darling Jesus, darling Jesus, oh my darling do, a wonderful song. Love you, go to your mi, that is a major 7. Okay, go to your major 7, that is your mi. Love you, me. I play a diminish, just a kind of do, di, okay, do, okay. This is a diminished chord. Okay, your D sol do mi D sol. Okay, it's just the same thing when you are playing your major 7 like this. It's just the same thing when you are playing your major 7. All you do is just take out the middle finger, this T. You just take out the T here and place it on the 5th string, which is the D. Then your first finger goes on the third, third string. Okay, just that. Okay, but these 2 fingers is still the same position, the so and the mi. Okay, you just take out, you go to your la. I show you the la chord on this shape. Okay. Okay, so these are sound. I go to my re. Okay, and then so I play a back chord there. So do. Okay, I showed you how to hold a back chord in my previous video, so you go and watch. Okay, so that is our sound. Darling Jesus, va, Jesus, the wonderful one. So love you, me, darling Jesus, no matter the rain, I just saw. Okay, so wherever you don't understand, you can hit me on the comment section. I'll give you the reply soon. Okay, alright guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.